In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone as a microphone on your Windows computer or laptop. So first thing we need to do is go and open up an internet browser on your computer. Then using the search box, type in droidcam and then press search. You can then click on this top website, which is droidcam.app, and you'll need to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Windows Setup. You can then click on this setup file and that will begin downloading to your computer. You can then click on your downloads folder and go and open up the droidcam client. You can then just go through the steps to install this onto your computer. So agree to the terms and conditions and then press install. Once it's finished installing, we can press finish. You can then open up the start menu and search for droidcam and then go and open up the application. Now once you've done this, you'll need to head over to your iPhone. You can then go and open up the App Store and you need to search for droidcam and then press search. You'll then need to download the droidcam webcam. Once it's finished downloading, click on open. You can then press continue, click on OK, and make sure to allow any notifications that pop up. So we're going to allow the microphone as well. You can then agree to the terms and conditions and go and click on allow. Now all you need to do is make sure your laptop and your mobile phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So we're just going to head back over to our laptop and you can see that I'm connected to this Wi-Fi network here, and I need to make sure this is the same network that I'm connected to on my iPhone. You can then click on click to add device and you should be able to locate your iPhone from the list. Make sure to check the box next to enable audio and then go and select it like so. You can then press add selected device. Now in order to begin using your iPhone microphone, just go and right click on the volume icon, click on sound settings. You can then scroll down to input and we just need to make sure the droidcam audio is selected. You can then start recording your screen or your computer and it's now going to use your iPhone as a microphone. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.